my take profits got hit.
I'm not gonna record that shit because that shit goes look goofy as fuck.
I wanted us to consolidate for the rest of London.
Reset my desk because my son be messing with it. Potatoes are a little bit burnt, but man, fuck that shit. For me, it's easier to just smoke, right? There's no effort in that.
I wanted us to take out these highs to have a higher push to this area right here because we had this liquidity down here, right?
I'm tired, I'm exhausted. Y'all can see the IBEX, bro. Man, I don't know if y'all can see it in my face, but I'm fucking exhausted. I'm tired, bro. And it was a hard ass night yesterday. As y'all seen by yesterday's video, around 11:30, and the video ended up going to bed like around, I want to say 12. That's when I knocked out. Woke up at 4 in the morning. I'm about to knock some breakfast out real quick, and I'll see you guys once I'm done. I'll show you guys what I eat. Same thing, eggs or whatever. I don't fucking know what I'm gonna make. I'm starving. I'm tired. I'm dehydrated. I need to drink more water. It's been a rough day, bro. It's been a rough start, but we gotta keep on pushing, right? We gotta keep on fucking pushing. We're currently at 392 subs, almost at 400. The month's not over. I gotta keep on pushing. My goal was initially to reach 450 subs, but if we could reach 400 subs by the end of the month, that's going to be crazy. But yeah, man, I'm about to make some food and get ready for work. What we got going on? We got the eggs. My potatoes are a little bit burnt, but man, fuck that shit. I'm eating my iced coffee to wake up, but yeah. I smacked that breakfast. I'm tired of eating eggs every day, bro. Trust me, I'm tired of eating the same shit day in and day out. But that's what's getting me the results that I expect, right? Right now, I'm at 175 pounds, coming from someone who used to be 230. My diet is working, my workouts. I mean, honestly, just this month of January is when I implemented this routine that I've stuck with like consistently, because before this it was mainly push-ups and cardio. That was all I was doing, right? Your diet plays a huge role in everything. What I wanted to tell you guys is, like, right now I'm heading to work and everything, right? I say this every day, but like in the past 3 days where I've just been driving around town at like the hour where everybody's going to work, I see everybody frustrated. I see the look on people's eyes, and like everybody hates their current situation. To what I see is, like, I see people being miserable, right? But they're waking up, they're doing the same things, and they're not changing anything. At the end of the day, I might feel like I'm sinking. I feel like I'm not doing nothing. I'm not making no progress. But bro, I'm doing something that is going to set me up in the long run, right? It's a marathon. It's not a fucking sprint. It takes a fucking minute. But I realize there's so much people out there who just don't want to change and much rather stay silent and suffer in silence, especially men, because they're comfortable, because they believe that's the most they can fucking do, right? You gotta find a way out. Maybe it's not trading, maybe it's not social media, but you gotta create something. You gotta fall in love with the process that is going to take you out of your fucking misery, right? Doing the same things over and over gets repetitive and drives you crazy. Trust me, I used to be on that cycle of like work, home, literally. I know this feeling because I used to be trapped in that shit. Now I found my purpose. Creating the content and trading like really gave me a sense of purpose of life, right? I was stuck in this cycle of like after work, all I would do was either go play basketball in the nights, get back home, smoke weed, and watch food review videos, bro. Watch stupid shit, like stupid shit that would fill me up with dopamine that was not necessary for me to watch. And I was always complaining, like around with the people around me. I was always telling them I'm tired of this job, I want to be rich, I want to do this, but I was never doing nothing. I was always complaining about my weight. I was always complaining about all these fucking things until I started to take control of everything and keeping myself accountable. Things started to change. Right now I might not be in the best position, right? But bro, slowly but surely, my life is going to change in the next 3 months.
My life has changed a lot. I'm almost at 400 subscribers, which is crazy, and I thank you guys for everything. And it all started because I took a fucking chance. I started something 3 months ago that now has taken me farther out in life. 500 subs is my next current goal, and once I reach that, man, that's something that I never imagined it was going to happen this fast. I thought it was going to take me years, but man, you really got to start doing something, because if you stay stagnant and you do the same things, you're not going to fucking grow. Trust me, you're not going to change just because you keep complaining to the fucking world that you deserve all these things. Trust me, I know I deserve all these things because I have value in me. I know what I'm capable of. But if I'm not fucking moving the needle, if I'm not pushing through everything, I'm not gonna earn that shit, right? If you have that feeling within you, there's a reason why you feel that, but it's not just going to be given to you because you suddenly decided to think for yourself, right? Understand that in order for there to be a reward, you gotta work, bro. You really gotta fucking work for this shit. But besides that, boys, I'm almost at work. I'll see you guys when I get back home. Today I'm not coming back to the end of my shift because my son has a doctor's appointment. I don't know how that shit finna go because he's getting some shots, and he's fucking strong too, bro. Last time he fucking headbutted me and shit, bit the fuck out of my shoulder. But yeah, last shift of the day. Let's get to it. I know I went crazy on my lunch. I got some fruit right here, some blackberries and some oranges. I don't know why I diced them up like that, but cool. The guac, you already know, same thing. The meat, just like in the morning that I had that extra leftover bread. I've been having these 2 pieces of French toast in the fucking freezer. So I was like, you know what, let me cook one now, and I'll cook one for tomorrow, or I don't know, maybe tomorrow I'll make shrimp or some shit. But yeah, this is what I got for lunch today. I didn't want to bore you guys with the same thing, but yeah, this is my lunch. Just got out the shower right now. I'm about to show you guys what I called in the morning. Y'all saw in yesterday's video, I was very unaware. I wanted to see what the news did. We didn't take out Wednesday's highs, but we took out Asian sessions highs and pretty much reversed. And I'll show you right now when I switch back to the Mac. But yeah, I already have my lunch. I'm not going back to work like I told you guys. I'm about to take my son to his appointment in like 2 hours or an hour and a half. Right now, after I show you guys what happened in the market, my analysis and everything, even though we had some choppy ass price action because I didn't even want to look at the charts after the news came out, because there was no direction, honestly. Like, yes, we tapped into those highs, but I mean, it was very slow. And then today was my second day trading options. It went horrible. I lost over $50 from yesterday and today, but we're learning that shit too, right? But yeah, let me hop onto the Mac and let me show you guys. It's a little bit annoying where I gotta fucking reset my desk because my son be messing with it. And like, if you unplug this shit, like, it has to reset all the way down. I'm 5'11", so this shit gotta go all the way down and then bring it back up to like here, which is like, I wanna say a little, yeah. So it's a pain in the ass because this shit is slow. But yeah, let's hop into this shit real quick. All right, we were having some technical difficulties, but now we back. Cool, whatever. So as y'all saw from yesterday's video, we had these highs right here, right? This area right here was a range where I wanted to tap in, where we indeed tapped into. We took out Asian sessions highs right here. Took out the Asian session highs at around 7 a.m. with the news. The news pretty much took the shit out. But after that, you guys can see it was very slow, it was very slow, bro. Like, honestly, today's price action was very fucking slow. You guys can see, eventually what I wanted to see was an entry model for this level right here, what I wanted to see was, as soon as we tapped into this area, when we broke out these highs, I did want to see us to push higher, just because we've been in a bullish trend like I told you guys yesterday. I guess we couldn't tap into that level, but we did enter this range, right? We did enter this range that I had marked down. And if you guys don't remember this shit, let me move this real quick. You guys can see, like, this was the previous high, right? It was a previous level where we've rejected before, and we've had some reactions from it, right? I really wanted to see this happen again, or this right here, a breakout through this level, but I mean, it didn't end up happening. And yeah, like, we didn't even tap into it, right? So the next closest thing to it was the Asian session highs, right? Let's go to the 1 minute. I'm confusing myself right now. My bad, guys. But yeah, the next thing that's closest to this level right here was these Asian session highs that we broke out, that we tapped into during New York. And even in London session, we barely even broke out the Asian session lows. So my bias was still bearish, but I wanted to see what price did off of the news. And we had, I think it was 2 news events, right? Or just 1? Yeah, we only had this at 7:45. Yeah. And the market was just not moving, right? But as you guys can see, oh, those are my L's from the whole week. But as you guys can see, this was today in the morning, right? I wanted to see London session have a reaction to these highs, but we traded in a small range. As you guys can see, London was just pretty much consolidating, right? It was just consolidating. This shaded area right here is the Asian session. I have the indicator for that, just because it helps with my visuals. But this was my initial bias, right? I wanted us to take out these highs, and I wanted us to consolidate for the rest, because it was 4:31 a.m. I wanted us to consolidate for the rest of London and just take out these highs. Once new news came out and market open, I wanted us to take out these highs to have a higher push to this area right here, because we had this liquidity down here, right? We had those lows, and I wanted to have a reaction off of those lows. But as you guys can see, my boy Jay caught a dub. Shout out my boy Jay. We took out the London highs. It was very choppy, so I didn't want to like even look at the market anymore. But this was my take profit. My first, if I would have gotten in as soon as I saw price got higher into this level, because you guys can see 746, he got stopped out before anything even happened. You guys can see that my take profit got hit. Both of my take profits got hit. And this would have been my third take profit, but I mean, it is what it is, right? But yeah, like, that's pretty much my overall bias for this for Friday, right? For today. I really wanted to see an entry here, but honestly, I was not in the charts, and I was very fucking busy at work today. I mean, we could have seen this on the 5 minute, I guess. Like, we have this bearish fair value gap right here that we tapped into, like slightly tapped into it once. And if we would have missed that one right there, we tapped into it another time right here. But my initial entry would have been here, right? That would have been my first entry. And it would have been, how many points would that be? Would have been 166 points, 165. Almost 200 points, bro, which is crazy. It's crazy, right? But yeah, that's pretty much it for the trading. Today is Friday, is the last day of the week. Let me switch on back to my phone. I have to title these screen records from my MacBook, because then I'd be having so much content, bro, that I'd be forgetting what the fuck I'm even looking for, or like which one is which, right? But as you guys can see, that's pretty much the end of my trading week. That's the recap that I got for today's trade. That was my reasonings. If you guys haven't seen yesterday's video, you guys check it out. At the end of the video, I was speaking on what I was thinking the market was going to do, which eventually ended up happening. But I did want to see us close higher above those previous days' highs. But I mean, it is what it is, right? Now I am going to edit my stuff. You guys can see that. But I'm about to finish editing tonight's video that I'm about to upload. And yeah, man, like, after this, I gotta go to my son's appointment. Let's see how he reacts, bro, because he has 2 shots, and then they're gonna take his, like, I think it's his blood levels. So the thing where they poke your finger or some shit, like they measure your sugar and stuff like that. And he doesn't even like the doctors at all, bro, because when he got sick for a fever, I was holding him down, and 2 other like medical assistants had to help me just to take his temperature, bro, which was fucking nuts. That little boy is fucking strong, bro. Like, and then my whiteboard, little motherfucker comes in here and erases all that shit. He gets on a fucking stool, and oh, bro, I'm tired, I'm exhausted. Y'all can see the eye bags, bro. but we gotta keep on doing this. We gotta keep on pushing. Maybe, most likely, I still gotta think about it during the weekend, but Monday we start the week with the new prop firm challenge. I'm gonna go for a 50K account again. But yeah, like, I've been thinking about it. Like, I'm executing properly when it comes to the live market. I'm not, honestly, I stopped back testing because you really can't do much when you're back testing. Yes, you can see how the patterns work. You guys can see how the gaps get attacked, how price reacts to highs and lows. I'll show you guys that probably this weekend. I'll have like a little video about that. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see that. But there's no reason for me to keep back testing because it's not the same as if I'm live trading, right? Like, I have to lose as many much more combines that I gotta lose. Fuck it. Like, if I gotta lose another $500, cool. If I gotta lose another 2 racks, it's fine, right? I'm not going to get better if I'm demo trading or if I'm paper trading unless I'm feeling those emotions, unless I'm seeing wins, seeing L's, having wonderful days. And even though, let's say I get funded, right? Cool. Now, how do I go on to, how do I react from that? You know, like, I also got to experience that. And if I stick to paper trading for the next month, like, yes, I'll get better in my strategies and everything, but there's nothing better than actually being in the, you know, being on the court. Like, let's say for me, basketball, there's nothing better than, I could practice by myself, right? I can go shoot, practice with my own pace and shit, but there's nothing like practicing live. There's nothing like actually vividly seeing the court, actually like executing the same moves on a real defender that's actually thinking, you know, like, they might know your moves, they might know where you're going, so you gotta really be critically think about your next move and stuff. That's why I am steering into that direction. Maybe during the weekend I just make my decision. Right now I am all over the place, but yeah, let me get to editing. After that, I'm going to take you guys through the end of my day. I'm still hitting my workout, I'm still doing all these things. I already have my lunch, trying to like lose the fucking stomach. I'm not fat, bro, but like I still got some stomach, bro, that I really want to lose. It's one of my fucking goals right there. We're at 393 subscribers, which is crazy. I can't thank you guys enough, like I said. But yeah, let's get to it, boys. This is the fit, bro. I always got the same outfits, bro. But yeah, about to head to the doctor. Let's see how this shit goes. As y'all seen, I'm currently exporting today's video. It's 8:30. Journey without knowledge, right? I called this trade on my Discord. As you guys can see, I was calling this shot. My first initial buy is man, one thing that I was looking up, it just popped up on my reels, but I don't know if y'all seen those fucking ab workouts where they're just like fucking humping the floor with the mask on. I was like, let me give it a try. I'm not gonna record that shit because that shit gonna look goofy as fuck. But I did some of those workouts, bro, and I mean, I'm not gonna say they don't work or that they do, but I mean, I did feel something, so it looks goofy as fuck, but I'm not recording that, but yeah. Man, I just finished the workout. I'm exhausted. The video's up now. About to end the night with a shower, with the nice tuna that's waiting for me, with the prayer, speaking to God. Just end the night strong, clear my mind, and get ready to do it all over again. Tomorrow is Saturday, it's a weekend. It's an amazing day. It's going to be an amazing day, full of new blessings, full of new beginnings. Have a positive outlook. If your whole day was horrible, finish strong, right? Finish strong. Y'all seen it. There's days where it's just been complete chaos, but I end up winning because I do the things I don't want to, and I win because I prove to myself and I show up for myself, right? Because I'm showing up for myself. Nobody's going to do this for you. Understand this. I say this for a reason. Nobody's here for me. I could have easily just gone home. I could have just gotten home, bought some food, because I've been craving fast food, bro. Like, trust me, like crazy. I've been craving fast food. Taking a shower and napped, right? Like, and gone to bed, right? Just fuck around. It's easier for me. It's easier to just smoke, right? There's no effort in that. It's easier to turn the TV on and just spend 4 or 5 hours just watching nonsense. Spend 2 hours just scrolling on my phone, right? That's easy. People will do that and complain why they don't keep fucking moving forward, but they see all the successful people in social media that are actually putting in the work behind the scenes, right? Take action. Take action. I don't just speak out of my ass. Take fucking action. My shit is hard. Trust me, shit is always going to be hard. But you gotta be ready for when shit hits the fucking fan. You gotta be ready for every moment. Life is never fair. Life can throw anything at you at any moment. Show up. Be better than what you were yesterday. I'm way better than what I was yesterday. I'm smarter, I'm more knowledgeable, I'm stronger because I keep showing up. Every day is a lesson. If you didn't learn nothing during your day, you didn't push yourself hard enough. A failure is a lesson. A W is a lesson. Everything is a fucking lesson. Just keep giving it your all and keep fucking showing up, bro. Damn, I'm about to go have some food. Trust me, that tuna doesn't fill me up, right? But it's not about tasting good. It's about fueling me up. I wake up with a bigger appetite, like I told you guys, and I have a bigger breakfast. But right now, what I'm trying to do is cut my calories down. I've been in a deficit for 2-3 months, lost 50 pounds, but I'm staying at 175 and 178. I'm fluctuating between those three. I'm fluctuating between those two weights. And I just know I gotta cut it down, so I'm gonna cut down my calories to, like, I want to say 1900 or 2000, slowly but surely cutting them down. Today I cut them down by 150, so tomorrow I'm about to cut them down again, or let's see how I wake up and how I feel. But yeah, I'm trying to get rid of this fucking stomach, bro. Trust. I'm trying to see my abs. But yeah, this is the end of the day. Hope you guys had a productive day. Keep showing up, boys. Keep fucking showing up. It only gets better. It only gets better. Trust me. It's only going to get better.